They are specially adapted to absorb up to 25 milliliters of water. The male sandgrouse flies to this waterhole every day. First, they settle at a safe distance. Hidden among the rocks, a Nana falcon, a booted eagle, and an African hawk eagle have all taken up positions around the waterhole. Despite the threats, some sandgrouse decide to take their chance. The Nana picks a target. She misses. The booted eagle sees her chance. Together, they keep their flight in the air. Birds of prey seldom stop until they make a catch. There's no one left in the air. If the predators are concentrating on eating, now could be the sandgrouse's opportunity. But they have overlooked someone. The hawk eagle. The father must hold his nerve. He has not yet collected enough water. Missed. This father wings his way home, breast feathers fully loaded with water.